A stone is dropped off a 64-foot cliff and falls into the ocean below. The height of the stone above sea level is given by the equation h equals negative 16t squared plus 64, where h is the stone's height in feet and t is the time in seconds. Find the time required for the stone to hit the water. All right, so here, h is the height above sea level, and it's going to hit the water when it's at sea level. In other words, it's going to hit the water when the height is 0. It hits the water when it's 0 feet above the ocean. So here we put in 0 for the height to answer this question. Now we're going to solve this one using what we called the square root property. We're going to try to use algebra to get t by itself. First, we subtract 64 from both sides, giving us negative 64 equals negative 16t squared. Next, to get t by itself, we would divide both sides by negative 16, giving us 4 equals, and I'll leave a little bit of space, t squared. Now, if you have t squared and you want to get t by itself, the next step is to take the square root of both sides. And you might remember from when we were talking about this, that normally when you take the square root of both sides, you need to put a plus or minus in front of the number on the other side. So here, the square root of 4 is 2. We get plus or minus 2 equals t. Now, even though we did put that plus or minus there, when you're finding a measurement of time, negative time doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to say the stone hits the water negative 2 seconds after you drop it. That doesn't make any sense. So here we ignore the negative, and our answer is that it's going to hit the water positive 2 seconds after you drop it.